Introducing the Ninja Slushy Professional Frozen Drink Maker, a superior frozen drink experience. The Ninja Slushy freezes liquid into slush with no ice, no blending, and no dilution for full flavor frozen drinks every time. Featuring our rapid chill technology, where liquid is rotated 360 degrees around a chilling cylinder to maintain the ideal temperature and texture, turning almost any beverage into a perfect frozen treat. Here's what's included when you open the box. Motor base with bail handle and evaporator, vessel with easy fill port plus pour handle, auger, condensation catch, 2-part drip tray. Ensure all parts are fully cleaned and the motor base is level on a flat, solid surface. Install the condensation catch under the evaporator by sliding it into the rail grooves. Install the auger by sliding it over the evaporator and rotating it until it fits into place on the pin located at the end of the cooling cylinder/evaporator. Slide the vessel over the installed auger and evaporator. Make sure to lift the bail handle before installing the vessel so it slides into the back locking placement. Lock the vessel into place by pushing the bail handle back. It should appear locked firmly into place. Place the top of the drip tray into the bottom dish and insert it in front of the motor base. Now be sure to check out our recipe video or any of the recipes we have online at ninjatestkitchen.com.